How many times has NEPA disappointed you this year? Enough is enough. Fuel prices keep rising, and running a generator every day is stressful, noisy, and expensive. But what if you could power your home every day? Without fuel, without noise, and without depending on NEPA. With our 3.5 kilovolt amperes complete solar system, you get reliable power for your essential appliances, clean, silent electricity every day, zero fuel cost, professional installation by experienced engineers. European-made solar system. This is a long-term solution, not a temporary fix. The system powers your fridge, fans all night, lights, TV, Wi-Fi, and phones, etc. Right now, you can get this complete system for a promo price of 1.2 million Naira. But due to high demand, we only have 5 installation slots left. Click the link below now and secure your installation before the slots are gone.